Now we are exploring something amazing and unique. Felt craft ideas, easy handmade decor and gift projects for everyone. In this video, you can watch very beautiful, amazing DIY felt creation, fun, easy and colorful handmade decor and gift ideas. Creative felt art and craft ideas, simple, vibrant decor and gift projects. Handmade felt craft ideas, easy DIY gifts, home decor and very beautiful, amazing and beautiful designs. So hope you enjoying all ideas and designs. Stay connected, stay tuned till the end. Today we are diving into the wonderful art of felt crafting, one of the most famous and comfortable, beautiful pieces of felt craft for all ages. Easy DIY projects for all ages. Whether you are a beginner, a student, or a seasoned crafter, these felt ideas will brighten up your home and fill your heart with handmade joy. Grab your scissors, glue, and a handful of vibrant felt sheets because we are about to turn simple fabric into beautiful decor and thoughtful gifts. Let's begin with something small and delightful. Felt flowers, they are perfect for wall decor, table centerpiece, or even as gift toppers. All you need are felt circles, a little twisting, and some glue. And just like that, you have created a mini garden that never fades. Mix pinks, yellows, and green for spring vibes, or go bold with reds and gold for festive looks. You can also attach them to hair clips, handbag, or brooch pins, and many more wall hanging decoration, turning your craft into a cute wearable accessory. Next, let's move to felt craft ornaments and hanging decor. These are perfect not only for Xmas but for any season. Cut out stars, hearts, animals, and geometric shapes. Sew or glue them, stuff them lightly with cotton, and hang them with ribbon. Add any buttons, beads, or embroidery details for that cozy handmade touch. These ornaments can decorate walls, door knobs, or even be stunning into beautiful garland. Now let's make something useful yet artistic. Felt crafter, felt coasters, and keychains. Cut your felt into round or square pieces and decorate with stitching or fabric paint. Felt coaster protect your tables while adding color to your home. And for keychains, felt animals, hearts, or cute words like love or smile make perfect handmade gifts for friends and family. They are small, practical, and full of meaning. If you are looking for decor that feels luxurious yet handmade, try felt wall art or dream catchers. Layer different felt shapes on a canvas board or wooden hoop. Think leaves, clouds, or abstract designs. You can even make personalized banners for kids' rooms, colorful, cheerful, and 100% handmade with love. These projects don't decorate your walls, they fill your space with warmth, positivity, and creativity. Now let's talk about the benefits of felt craft. It's affordable and beginner friendly. It enhances mindfulness and focus. You will find yourself relaxed as you cut and design each piece. It's sustainable, felt is reusable, and you can upcycle old fabric too. And most importantly, it connects you with creativity. Making something with your own hands brings a deep sense of accomplishment. Whether you craft alone or with your kids, every piece becomes a little story full of color and joy. So which felt idea will you try first? Felt flowers, cozy coaster, and cute keychain or colorful ornaments. Each one brings a touch of handmade happiness into your life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY inspiration. Let your creativity shine with every cut and stitch. Because handmade is always from the heart. Would you like to watch more designs like this? We are also want to share something beautiful designs with you. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Stay safe. Keep crafting. Keep your keep shining like a star, and many more have do you want to in your life. So thank you for watching this time. Stay blessed, stay connected. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. We are trying to bring amazing and unique designs. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care. Stay blessed. I wish wherever you are watching, you will be happy in your life, and you have all those things you want in your life. So keep crafting, stay grow your business, keep growing your business, keep making something unique and amazing. We are trying to bring that amazing and unique creation for our viewers and subscribers, and also want to have something beautiful comments from your side. So keep commenting, keep watching, and write your opinion in my comment section, and we will be happy to see your comment. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. Take care. Stay blessed.